Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And as you guys know that we are covering the invoices inside GHL level. So today we are going to create new invoices for clients and how we can use that invoice for each client based on the products chosen. So with that we are also going to cover the documentation section where we can create and save the legal documents of the companies with terms and conditions, and you can say appointments, and you can say otherwise the projects details. Okay, so these all types of documents are getting saved inside GoHigh level, and today we are going to see that how we can create them and save inside GoHigh level. So let's move towards GHL screen and let me show you that how you can create and save these documents and invoices inside GHL.
Okay, guys, as you know that every company has to maintain their legal documents. Okay, so instead of saving them in Google Drives or in any other storage place, what if GHL provides you that storage where all of your documents will be in its own right place? So for that, we have to move inside payments, and inside payments, you can see there are documents and contracts. I will simply click on it. And here you can create new document or you can upload your existing documents as well. So for that, I will simply click on new. And here you can see there are multiple options. For example, upload existing PDF, where you can upload your existing PDF from your laptop storage or PC storage. And other than that, you can import it from library as well. And if you want to create a new document or you can say new terms and conditions or any type of legal policy, you would simply click on new document, and it will give you the board where you can create a new document just like you create documents in the Word. Okay. So here you can see plus button. This is to add multiple pages, which you can see on the bottom and on the top. And after that, here you can see the plus button from where you can add text, images, videos, tables, and multiple things. Okay, signatures as well, which are mostly at the bottom of the page. Okay, so what if I show you how it's going to work? It is like this. Okay, headings and whatever we want to write, we can edit it just by moving this. Okay, and here you can see above, you can see multiple types of options that you can use. And similarly, you can add signatures as well, which are at the bottom like this. Okay, you can adjust them, and here you can use your you can say the pointer and the written signature as well. Both are acceptable, and after that, you can simply click on save. And send option is used to if you want to share this type of legal documents or contracts with your leads or with your customers. Okay, I mean these are both use cases of these documents. So this is for the documents and the contracts. And if we move towards invoices, so basically invoices are used that if somebody wants to make a deal with you guys and you need some advance money or like that, then you have to create the invoices and you need to send them to your clients, and they will fill them or pay the bills, and then they can access whatever you want. Okay, whatever your deals are. So for invoices, we will simply move inside the voices, and here you can see there are recurring voices option as well. So recurring invoices means the contracts that are on monthly basis that your lead have to pay you on monthly basis. Okay, and other invoices means simple invoices are just like for one time or according to the requirement or according to the project. Okay, and now if we want to create new invoice, we will simply click on new, and again you can see that new recurring invoice and new invoice. Again, recurring invoices are monthly basis, and new invoice, simple invoice means that a simple invoice that you will create for your clients. So on the right side, you can see one of the template I created already, and it has been fixed, and this is the template for my company. If you want to edit it, you will simply move here on this button, and here you can company name, you can change the company name, website, phone number, address, and this logo as well. Okay, and after that, if we move downward, you can see customer information. Customer information means to whom you want to send this type of invoice. And after that, here the invoice number, you can change it, and or otherwise it will be built in. Other than that, you can make the issue date, the due date, things like that. Okay, and if we move below, you can add a product. let's add the product. Okay, here are the products which are already created, but if you want to add a new product, you will simply click on create product as I am doing, and here you can see let's make a GHL course, and product is can be digital goods, price name can be whatever the price name means, monthly. Okay, and after that amount in dollars or in GBP, whatever we want. Let's select if it can. No, it is not able to make a search, but let us find something. Okay, well, let me leave it to you guys so that you can choose it whatever you want. Let's make it $30. Okay, tax category, whether you want to add tax on it or not. Save it for. Okay, there are multiple types of taxes that you can include on this product, but let us clear the section and save it for later and let's save it. Okay, now you can see that your invoice has been edited, and you can see there is a product has been added, and you can similarly add multiple type of products and add description as well. And from here you can add tax, because previously you see that I removed the tax option, so currently there is no tax. After that you can add the discounts just to attract the customers. Okay, so let me add discount of 5%, and when I save it you can see here the discount for 5% has been applied and the final amount is 28%. And similarly you can simply add terms and conditions as well after writing them. Like if I write here, you can see that on the bottom of the invoices there are terms and conditions get appeared. Similarly, charges for late fees, including typing fees, attachments, these are all things that you can add. And what will happen that after saving it, okay, customer name is required. I currently have not selected any type of customer. So you can create it for your custom customers. Okay. Currently I can select uh, maybe there's a test customer. Yeah, okay. Let's select this. Okay, so you can save this, and you can see that if your customer name appearing here. Okay, this is your customer name, and after that what will happen is that when your customer will open this, he has to simply click on this pay button, and it will automatically means move the customer towards the billing page, where he will enter their credit card number and other details that are required to make a payment, and the payment will be made and you will get notified, or in such GHL it will be get notified that following customer has been paid his bill. So other, if we move further deeply, what will happen that if somebody pays the bill, or if somebody clears this invoice, you will automatically get access of our membership program. For example, if inside the membership we have GHL course, then he will automatically get access of this GHL course. So this is a simple overview and a practical overview for how you can create invoices and how you can handle them inside Go High Level. And we will also try to make it a proper workflow for these automations, that how everything will go in process from selecting the project, from getting the invoice, and after getting the invoice he will get access to that product. Okay, for now we are just moving and learning that how we can create invoices. So I hope you understand well, and let's see you in our next video. Till that, thank you so much. Bye bye.